We're going to mount the base plate right there. We're going to put 2 screws in right there and right there. Once we mount the base plate onto this point right here, the camera will set right on this plate right there. So what I did was I purposely didn't use a drill. I used a screwdriver, and this is aluminum siding. I did that to prove a point that you don't necessarily need to drill a pilot hole when doing this. The screws that they supply will actually suffice. Yeah, it'll suffice, and it'll be able to penetrate that aluminum. So that worked out great, and I'm going to put the other one in right now. So I was telling my client that I purposely put this screw in the aluminum without a drill. It's coarse enough and sharp enough to go into the aluminum without a drill. And I did that to prove a point that not every homeowner, not every person is going to have a drill handy or certain power tools handy to mount these cameras, but Ring supplied the right screws for it for this particular camera mount. Look at that, that's not going anywhere. We have the base mounted right there. Now we're simply going to put this base on that plate right there. And there it goes, all set. Now this camera can adjust to your specs. I hope this helps. Follow me for more tips.